Hi guys, welcome back to Cozy Home. Today is a Christmas Power Hour pajama, a collaboration with Jacqueline from Hearts-n-Apron. I'm going to leave her channel below in the playlist. Also, go check out her channel and don't forget to go check out all of the other wonderful ladies. If you're new here from one of their channels, welcome to Cozy Home. My name is Jacqueline and I like to do cleaning motivations, decluttering, organizations, plant-based recipes, and some decoration. I decorate as a minimalist, so I hope you guys are into that stuff. So please don't forget to join my channel so we get to know each other. Alexa, put the timer on for 1 hour, please.
1 hour, starting now.
Difference this time is that ever since July I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the coffee tonight because me and my husband are gonna get up early around 4:30 to go to the gym, and we want to make sure that he has coffee ready for him when we get back, so it makes it a lot easier for us to get ready for work. After I get done with making the coffee, I'm going to go ahead and clean the mantle and display some Christmas cards that we had gotten in the mail from my family. And then I'm going to be picking up a box of potatoes that my husband had gotten from his work. I got this floor duster long time ago. I believe it's an Arm & Hammer one. I'm not 100% sure, but it's one of those ones that you could reuse. All you have to do is throw the fabric into the washing machine. I don't normally use this because I feel like it doesn't really get up the dog hair that Cable has dropped as he walks around the house. But I don't want to use my vacuum cleaner as much because Ryder is in bed sleeping for the night, so I'm trying to keep it as quiet as possible. I do like this method of floor soap. I always think it smells so good. It's such an easy thing that you could just squirt and then mop up. I don't use this as a mopping all the time. This is just like a spot mop that I like to use. After I get done with the spot mopping, I'm going to move into the kitchen and tidy up around the sink and around the stove and then the cutting board. I like to clean the sink at nighttime. I like to make sure that all the food is down and the garbage disposal has been turned on. And I'm also going to be using some Myers baking soda, and I'm going to scrub it down with a I think it's called a Scrub Daddy sponge, and then I'm going to rinse it off, and then I'm also going to end up spraying some Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and drying it up.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying
Over by the cutting board right here is a mess that I had made earlier. I had videoed how to make a homemade cinnamon applesauce ornaments. If you guys haven't checked that video out, I'm going to leave it at the very end of the video. Guys, I think you guys should go check it out, not just because it's my channel and a new video I had just posted, but it is also a special one. I am doing a collaboration with a bunch of other ladies, and we're giving $1,000 away to one lucky subscriber. So go check it out. All the rules are in the description below and on that video, so make sure you guys check that out. I was in La La Land right here, just enjoying the sweeping of the floor.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day.
Now that I'm getting done with the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and move over to our cozy room. Most people call their cozy room a living room. We like to call it cozy room, so we're going to move over there. It's quite a mess. Brody was ready for bedtime. He's snuggling on my sweater. How adorable.
Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much.
Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining with me at this power hour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Go give Jacqueline from Hearts and April a shout out, like her channel. Don't forget to subscribe to her and check out the playlist and do the same with all of these other wonderful ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I also want to let you guys know about this 1,000 cash giveaway. I am going to leave a link at the end of the video. And if you click on it, you'll be able to find all the rules on that. But I wanted to give you guys an opportunity to enter for that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish sweeping and I'm going to call it a quits. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and thank you again so much for checking out my channel. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I'm going to go ahead and grab myself some nice sleepy time tea and relax.